You know, I've seen a lot of folks work hard in my time, but there's a special kind of grit that comes from teachers. They put their heart and soul into their work, day in and day out. Take Lisa Collum, for example. She was a dedicated teacher, but she saw a need for better writing skills in her students. And she knew she had a way to help. Back in 2011, Lisa started Top Score Writing with just 99 bucks. That's right, 99 bucks. She poured her heart into creating writing curriculums and started selling them. It was a side hustle, something she did because she believed in it. She knew that strong writing skills could open doors for her students. Word got around about Lisa's program. Kids who used it started getting better grades. They were writing clearer, more concise essays. Parents and teachers were impressed. What started as a small side project was blossoming into something much bigger. Lisa's passion was contagious. She wasn't just teaching writing, she was changing lives. And that's something worth getting your hands dirty for. Now, I've always said that hard work pays off. And in Lisa's case, it did in a big way. Her students' test scores were improving dramatically. Schools started taking notice. They wanted in on the Top Score Writing method. Pretty soon, Lisa was making more from her side hustle than from her teaching job. That's when she knew she was onto something special. In 2015, she took a leap of faith. She quit her teaching job to focus on Top Score Writing full-time. It was a gamble, no doubt about it. But Lisa believed in her program and the difference it could make. Plus, she had that teacher's work ethic, the kind that doesn't quit. She knew that if she put in the effort, success would follow. And follow it did. Top Score Writing wasn't just a business, it was a movement. A movement to empower students with the essential skills they needed to succeed. Remember that $99 investment? Well, it turned into $1 million business. That's right, Lisa built Top Score Writing into a thriving company with employees and nearly $1.9 million in annual profit. But Lisa wasn't just in it for the money. She used her success to give back. In 2015, she bought Coastal Middle and High School, a nonprofit private school in Florida. She wanted to create a place where all students had access to quality education and the opportunity to reach their full potential. Top Score Writing wasn't just a local success story anymore. It was reaching students all across the country, from small towns to big cities. Lisa's program was helping students find their voice through writing. It's a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a belief in something bigger than yourself. And that's something worth celebrating. Section 4, a closer look inside Top Score Writing's curriculum. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the Top Score Writing method? Well, it's all about giving students the tools they need to write clear, concise, and compelling essays. It's about breaking down the writing process into manageable steps, so it's not so daunting. Lisa's curriculum covers everything from grammar and punctuation to developing strong arguments and organizing thoughts logically. It's designed to be engaging and accessible for students of all levels, from kindergarten to 12th grade. And the best part? It gets results. Students who use Top Score Writing consistently show significant improvement in their writing skills and their overall academic performance. Of course, quality education doesn't come cheap, but Lisa believes that everyone should have access to it. That's why Top Score Writing offers a range of programs and pricing options to fit different budgets. Section 5, the impact of structure, a teacher's legacy. Lisa's story is an inspiration to us all. It shows us that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of grit, anything is possible. She took a simple idea that all students deserve to be strong writers and turned it into a movement. Lisa's journey also teaches us the importance of believing in ourselves, even when doubts creep in. We all have something special to offer the world. We just need the courage to share it. So the next time you're facing a challenge, remember Lisa Collum. Remember the teacher who saw a need and decided to do something about it. Remember the entrepreneur who turned $99 into $1 million business. And most importantly, remember the importance of hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. Because with those ingredients, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.